All right, so somebody's gonna keep themselves busy while I prepare their food for the week. And I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. So every week I try to prepare something a little different. Hi. Hi. Are you eating your snack? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look at that. Use your two hands. He's like, what is this? It tastes good, huh? Yes, it does. Hello, my beautiful YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys what I prepare my son for his weekly meals. I usually just prepare his meals every Sunday, and then I just have it in the refrigerator for the week because right now he's eating solid food. And it's awesome. I try to prepare his meal myself, meaning go to the store, buy the ingredients, and prepare them so that way I know exactly what he's eating. So far, he's loving them. He's currently 6 months, and he's enjoying the solid food. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just an awesome and great journey for him right now. He's just trying different things. On a daily basis, he might eat something different based on what I have here or based on what I want him to try. Also, when I first started his solid food, it was around 5.5 months, and I was just trying him with single things individually. But now I'm trying to mix them up so he can have a variety of tastes. No, he hasn't started eating the African food yet, but eventually we'll introduce him to that. All right, so for this week, I have apples, pears, butternut squash, sweet potato, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, and some spinach. These are all organic. I try to make sure I get organic stuff for him, especially from this early stage. So I'm just gonna get them all prepared, cut up, and washed up very well, and then I will show you guys which one I'm combining, which one I'm cooking separately, and all that good stuff. So let's get this video started, shall we? Oh, okay. on the fire.
What is going on here? Eh? What is going on here?
What is going on what?
Eh?
And what did you see? Yes? Listen, you don't understand your so-called boyfriend.
Eh?
You not come to this house again.
For what?
For what?
Why?
Why will you ask me such question? For what? Will you understand your mind? Am I not the first son? I the only son here? You, Edu, don't open that. If you do, I will personally sack you.
If you know what to do for you right now, open the gate.
If you do that, I will personally sack you.
Are you stupid? I don't open this gate.
Don't open that gate. Don't do whatever. I'll give you that 500.